Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel, the place for creators to monetize their passion and create a freedom lifestyle with the business you love. So if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe as I put out a new video every single Monday. I am Shannon L. Jackson. In today's video, guys, we're going to talk about how to use digital products to leverage your business in 2020. So let's get to it. So I'm not sure if you're familiar with digital products. Maybe you have seen them across the websites and social media platforms. But digital products are just basically digital downloads. No physical product being sent to you, mailed to you. Everything is digital. So they have digital courses, I'm sure you're familiar with. They have digital downloads such as ebooks, templates, workbooks. All of that are included into the digital aspects of digital products. So I want to talk about exactly how digital products can help you leverage your business this year in 2020 to make it more ease for you, but also to give you more access, right? So let's talk about that. So the first thing I want to talk about how digital products can help you leverage your business this year is freeing up your time. So if you are, this is especially for my coaches and consultants out there, if you're constantly out there having business meetings and you have coaching clients, and you love to do it, not saying anything about that. You love coaching, right? That is what your business is set upon. So you like coaching your clients. But at the same time, maybe you have those clients where you just repeating yourself. You're like repeating the same thing, repeating the same strategy, repeating the same words. And it just may seem like too much repetition in your business. So digital products can help you eliminate that because for the simple fact that they can free up your time. So if you were able to create any digital product, as I gave the examples earlier, if you were able to create any digital product to just alleviate some of that repetition in your business, it can definitely free up your time. That way you're not getting the same questions asked, you're not getting the same feedback, you know, where people just constantly ask you the same questions and you're just on that constant hamster wheel, right? So digital products, any form of digital products will help you leverage that, alleviate all that repetition in order to free up your time. So it will free up time in your business, in your mindset, just your aspect as a coach or a consultant. That's just the example I gave. This can work in any scenario, whatever business that you have where you're just constantly on that same turning point, that turning wheel, where you're doing the same processes over and over. Digital products can definitely help you alleviate all of that constant back and forth and have you get free time. So that's the first thing. That's the first way to give you free time. The second way is extra income. So if you do have services, even if you do have products, if you want to create a digital product in some form in order to leverage your business, in order to scale your business, you can bring more income in by having a digital product in your business. So let's just say you do have a service and you do have like physical products. If you were able to add an additional product, a digital product to your business or your brand, you're able to bring in more income for yourself and also more freedom, as I said with the example of having free time, because passive income is coming in, guys, and passive income is very important. And you know, I talked about it in both videos with the blogging as the best business model and also podcasting. I talked about having that passive income coming in, so I'm talking about it again. So by you having digital products, it can definitely leverage your business and helping you to have that passive income flow coming in. So you know you will have that digital product for sale. Someone purchased the product, and without you having to do that work over and over again, it is passive income coming in. So that is another tip of how I think digital products is going to help you leverage this year. It's just bringing in that extra income for you. So the last tip that I want to talk about that I think is very important, and I even use for myself, I think digital products is going to help you leverage this year by being an ongoing resource. So it just narrows down everything that I talked about, freeing up your time bringing in that extra income, but being a ongoing resource. So how many times, like I said earlier, are you asked the same thing over and over? When you're creating these digital products, they are continual being a usage for you because they are out there forever. So instead of that person coming back to you, they can just refer to that digital download, whatever you created, and it can continue to refresh their memory, right? I know for me, the courses that I take, the products, the digital products, ebooks, all of that I invested in, I love going back and just rereading or going over something that I may miss where I can apply in my business now. Because, you know, maybe you got some little niggas then initially when you purchase, and sometimes we overlook things, and it's always great to go back. So instead of that person reaching back out to you for that question, can you help me this? Sure, of course, you know, like I said, with your services is different, but just to have that product going for your customers and your clients is an ongoing resource. It's definitely leverage. Highly recommended leverage, and I think the leverage that people are all looking to achieve in their business, because they are, you know, resourcing to your recommendations, and they're taking heed in everything that you say and applying it, and it's just a ripple effect, right? And they will come back to you again for more information, purchases, digital downloads if you offer. So it's just like a ongoing transaction back to being that ongoing resource for that client, for that customer. So those are the tips of how I think digital products are going to leverage your business this year tremendously. Like I said, it doesn't have to be this elaborate digital product. It doesn't have to be an elaborate digital course. You could start off with a worksheet, an course, anything simple just to get that extra leverage going this year, flowing in your business to help you scale. So I hope you got and gained some wonderful value from this video today. And question of today: which digital product would you like to create to help you leverage your business this year? Are you thinking about adding digital products as a source of income for your business this year? If so, drop in the comments and let me know. And anything else that you feel comfortable with, let me know about your recommendations on digital products. Other than that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as I put out new videos every single Monday, and I will see you on the next video.